653 Union 81.
What's the next 10?
Good. I'm at Circle K here on 271.
Give me 21 when you get the chance.
Now, Force Med 1037.
33.
Eastbound on 0, coming up to Old Greenwood.
1040, sound on 0.
Traffic. I've still got him inside, so he's going probably 140 by now. I'm at a little room here.
I'm coming. I'm about to take 0.
Yeah, I don't know if he's telling him how to read his speed.
Eastbound 0.
Yeah, I think I still see him up there. He's probably approaching Mazard.
10-4, realize I didn't get her from 28.
I think he's southbound Mazard.
10-4 southbound on Mazard.
He could be going to 549 or trying to get back to Oklahoma. I'm not sure.
CFS comments added.
Yeah, I got people pointing. Heading south on Mazard. If I can get a unit up to 549, we might cut him off.
I'll get in contact inspection.
The new interstate going towards Barley.
Yeah.
CFS comments added.
Okay, I've lost sight of him. I'm gonna 1022 for now. I'm just gonna cold trail him. I'll get some up to 549.
I'll clear the tone at 812.
I get somebody to check these little side street neighborhood areas here off of Mazard. We'll continue on.
CFS comments added.
I'm in the area. Mazard 0.
Dan, check some of them little side streets right there.
H9, Fashion County, commercial area.
CFS comments added.
Now, where'd you last lose sight of him?
CFS type change. Pursuit.
Just south of that intersection right there. I'm not sure they cross by the doctor's office and all that, by those neighborhoods.